In this video, we will show you how to replace your washer fluid reservoir. Let's get started. To gain access to the washer fluid reservoir, we're going to have to remove the air filter housing. Let's start with our two clips that hold the top of the clamshell to the bottom. Continue on to your 8mm headed clamp. We only need to loosen this enough that we can pull the box off of here. Once that's off of there, we'll continue on to the mass airflow sensor. For this, you'll find that there's a red locking tab. Go ahead and slide that down to the unlock position. Where my index finger is, there's a tab that you can squeeze and gently pull the wiring off of the mass airflow sensor. Give that a quick check for corrosion. Assuming it looks good, set it aside. Remove and inspect your air filter. If it needs to be replaced, now's a perfect time. Move along to removing your three 11mm headed mounting nuts. Now we can remove the lower clamshell. Now we can start dismounting the reservoir from the fender. For this, you're going to find two 12mm headed bolts holding it in place. Remove the pair. Let's carefully slide this away. Continue on to your wiring harness. Where my index finger is, you're going to find that you have a push tab. Go ahead and press that in. Remove the wiring from the wiper motor. Continue on to removing the washer hose. Now we can continue on to this area right here. Now this will have washer fluid in it. You want to be extremely careful. As we pull this off, I'm going to take my finger and immediately put it over the pump. Pull this out of the vehicle. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new washer fluid reservoir. Make your way to the pump. We're going to reconnect the washer fluid hose. We'll take that and slide it right into position. Press it on there as far as you can. Make sure it's secure. Let's bring this down into the vehicle. We'll align the hose with the inside of the reservoir here. Let's go ahead and press it right into position. Continue on with your wiring. Press this in. Give it a little tug to make sure that's secured. Now we can put this up against the fender and prepare to put in our two mounting bolts. Now we can put in our lower air filter box. We'll slide this into position, and then we can continue on with our three 11mm mounting nuts. For this one, ours is broken over here, so we'll continue on to the other two. Install your air filter. Continue on with your air filter box. You'll notice that you have several holes making their way across. On the bottom of the box, you'll find that you have a whole bunch of tabs that are supposed to insert into those holes. Let's get this in position. Attach your air inlet and tighten your 8mm headed clamp. Make sure that's nice and tight so no dirty or unmetered air makes its way into your engine. Continue on to the mass airflow sensor wiring. Once you connect this into the mass airflow sensor, press this red tab all the way up against the connector to lock it in position. Give it a little tug to make sure that's secured. Okay, it's fully installed. Go ahead and add washer fluid. Once it's full, go ahead and close that cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.